The AI revolution is upon us, and it's set to upend everything we thought we knew about work. In a world where artificial intelligence is rapidly replacing human jobs, Bill Gates has a chilling forecast: only 3 sectors will survive the AI apocalypse, and the rest? They're in serious danger. Energy, biology, and AI programming. That's it. The year is 2025, and we are on the cusp of a revolution. A revolution that isn't just technological, but societal, a change that will redefine how we work, live, and interact with the world around us. We've heard for years that AI and automation are coming for our jobs. But as Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft, has recently predicted, these changes are not just on the horizon, they are already here. And the impact on the workforce is expected to be profound. Gates has painted a rather bleak picture of the future of work, suggesting that only 3 sectors will survive the rise of AI: energy, biology, and the creation and programming of AI systems. According to Gates, everything else, every other job, will likely be either automated or rendered obsolete by AI. In today's video, we will explore why Gates has made these predictions. We'll analyze how AI is already infiltrating our workspaces, how it's disrupting industries, and why Gates believes that energy, biology, and AI system programming will remain resilient. Moreover, we will dive into what this means for you, your career, and your future. This isn't just a technical analysis, it's a deep dive into the future of human labor. What happens when machines can do what humans have done for centuries? What does it mean for society, and how can you position yourself to thrive in a world where human jobs are at risk? Let's explore these questions in depth and figure out how to navigate the uncertain road ahead. AI's massive disruption, a global shift. Before we dive into the specific sectors, it's important to understand why AI is capable of such disruption. AI is no longer a futuristic concept, it's already changing the world. According to a study by McKinsey, around 60% of all occupations could see at least 1/3 of their tasks automated by 2030. This means millions of workers worldwide could face job displacement. This isn't just about robots replacing factory workers. AI is becoming sophisticated enough to perform tasks in areas that were once thought to be immune from automation. Data scientists, journalists, accountants, financial analysts, even doctors, many of these professions are now under threat. AI can write news articles, analyze medical images, predict financial trends, and assist in legal research. The real issue is that AI doesn't just automate routine, manual tasks. It's beginning to encroach on more cognitive, decision-based tasks. Tasks that were traditionally considered to require human intuition, expertise, and judgment. A data entry job, for example, might be automated with machine learning. But now, even more complex jobs like software development, law, and sales are susceptible to AI-based technologies like predictive analytics, natural language processing, and neural networks. The question we must ask is, how do we prepare for such rapid change? Why Bill Gates' forecast makes sense. Gates' prediction that only 3 sectors will thrive in the wake of AI disruption may seem harsh, but it's based on several key insights about AI's capabilities and limitations. In essence, Gates argues that there are areas where human creativity, judgment, and expertise will remain indispensable. 1. Energy, the renewable revolution, and human ingenuity. The energy sector is one of the most essential industries that will continue to provide jobs in an AI-driven future. But here's where things get interesting. Gates isn't referring to traditional energy sectors, like oil and gas. He's talking about renewable energy and the green energy revolution that's already underway. The world is facing a climate crisis. Extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and environmental degradation are all symptoms of climate change, largely driven by the burning of fossil fuels. As nations scramble to meet net zero emissions goals, the energy industry is undergoing a profound transformation. While AI and automation will certainly play a significant role in optimizing energy systems, human expertise will still be required to design, maintain, and improve energy infrastructure. Here are several reasons why the energy sector is expected to survive. Technological design and engineering. Renewable energy technologies, including solar panels, wind turbines, and bioenergy systems, require specialized engineering knowledge. As the demand for these technologies grows, there will be a continuous need for engineers, researchers, and technicians who can design and innovate to make energy systems more efficient and sustainable. Energy storage and smart grids. One of the most significant challenges of renewable energy is storage. Solar and wind are intermittent sources, meaning they don't always generate energy when it's needed. AI can help optimize power grids and balance energy supply and demand, but human expertise is required to design systems that can store energy for future use. Creating smart grids that integrate renewable sources with existing power infrastructure will require skilled workers who understand both the technical and regulatory challenges involved. Energy policy and regulation. With the growing importance of sustainable energy, policymakers and governments will continue to require experts to develop regulations, incentives, and guidelines for clean energy deployment. From tax incentives for green companies to carbon credits and emissions trading, human judgment will always play a role in shaping global energy policy. As much as AI can improve efficiency in energy production and distribution, human creativity will remain essential in solving the complex challenges of energy sustainability, scaling new technologies, and negotiating the political and economic factors involved. 2. Biology, healthcare, genetics, and biotech, the unmatched human touch. The second sector that Bill Gates points to as immune to AI is biology, specifically in healthcare, genetics, and biotechnology. AI has already made significant strides in biology. From drug discovery to genetic research to medical imaging, AI is transforming the life sciences in ways that were once unimaginable. Machine learning algorithms can sift through massive datasets to identify correlations, predict disease progression, and even suggest potential treatment plans. However, as much as AI can assist in the field of biology, it cannot replicate the nuances of human biology, nor can it make critical decisions in complex, multifaceted situations. Here's why. Human interaction in healthcare. While AI can assist doctors by analyzing medical data, recommending treatments, or even identifying early signs of diseases, the human element in healthcare remains irreplaceable. The doctor-patient relationship is built on trust, empathy, and nuanced understanding. Physicians make judgment calls that depend not just on data but on their ability to communicate effectively with patients, take into account personal history, and provide emotional support. AI lacks these deeply human qualities. Ethical decision-making. The field of biotechnology, particularly genetic engineering, is rife with ethical dilemmas. Who decides how we use gene editing technologies like CRISPR? AI might suggest possible gene edits or predict genetic diseases, but it cannot navigate the ethical complexities of genetic intervention. For instance, the question of whether we should genetically modify embryos to prevent diseases requires human ethical judgment, not just technical know-how. Medical research and drug discovery. While AI is valuable in analyzing vast amounts of biological data, discovering new drugs still relies on human ingenuity. Scientists in labs around the world are using AI to sift through massive libraries of compounds to identify promising candidates for drug development. But once these compounds are identified, human researchers are needed to design the trials, ensure safety, and interpret results. Moreover, drug discovery requires deep domain knowledge, collaboration, and an understanding of human biology, something AI has yet to master. While AI will certainly assist in accelerating research and optimizing treatments, the human touch in biology, especially healthcare and biotechnology, is irreplaceable. The field will continue to evolve, but it will always require scientists, doctors, and ethicists to guide the innovations. 3. AI system programming, the architects behind the machine. The third and final sector that Bill Gates highlights is AI system programming itself. This should come as no surprise. After all, AI is a creation of humans. The demand for skilled workers in AI development is already sky-high and will continue to grow as we move forward. The rapid development of artificial intelligence systems means there will always be a need for engineers, researchers, and specialists who can build, maintain, and improve these systems. Building AI systems, AI requires highly specialized knowledge in areas like machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning. While AI might be able to automate certain aspects of the software development process, the design and creation of intelligent systems will always require human oversight. There's an inherent level of creativity and problem solving that is required to develop AI systems that are both effective and ethical. Training AI systems don't start out being intelligent, they need to be trained. This process involves feeding large amounts of data into algorithms so that they can learn to make predictions, recognize patterns, and improve over time. AI training requires human expertise to understand what data should be used, how to process it, and how to avoid biases. AI can't train itself, humans are needed to curate data, ensure accuracy, and tweak systems to improve performance. AI ethics and safety. With the rise of AI, the question of ethical considerations has become crucial. Who is responsible for ensuring that AI doesn't perpetuate bias, inequality, or misinformation? Human professionals will need to guide AI development to ensure it's used in ethical ways. Issues of fairness, privacy, transparency, and accountability will need to be addressed by teams of AI engineers, data scientists, and ethicists working together. While AI might be able to assist in programming or automating certain tasks, the role of humans in shaping, directing, and improving AI will remain crucial. How to prepare for the future of work in an AI-driven world? Now that we've explored the three sectors Bill Gates predicts will survive the rise of AI, let's talk about how you can prepare for the inevitable changes coming to the workforce. 1. Embrace lifelong learning. The key to surviving and thriving in an AI-driven world is continuous learning. The skills you have today may not be enough to get you through tomorrow's challenges. It's important to stay up to date with the latest advancements in AI, energy, biology, and other relevant fields. You can start by taking online courses, attending workshops, and participating in webinars to learn about new technologies and gain relevant certifications. Areas like AI programming, renewable energy technologies, and biotechnology are great places to focus your attention. 2. Develop soft skills. While AI excels at processing data, it cannot replicate human empathy, creativity, or critical thinking. Focus on developing soft skills like emotional intelligence, communication, and problem solving. These will continue to be in high demand in the AI age, especially in fields like healthcare, education, and management. AI might automate many technical tasks, but it will never replace the human capacity for creativity, leadership, and emotional connection. 3. Get technical, even if you are not a techie. You don't need to become a full-fledged AI engineer to thrive in the future. However, understanding the basics of AI, machine learning, and data science will put you ahead of the curve. Whether you're working in healthcare, law, or education, having a foundational understanding of AI can help you identify opportunities for automation and work alongside these technologies effectively. 4. Embrace change and be adaptable. The future is uncertain, and the rapid pace of technological advancement means you need to be adaptable. Look for new opportunities, whether that's transitioning into a growing industry or embracing a new role that AI has created. While some jobs will disappear, others will emerge, jobs that require the very skills AI cannot replicate. Conclusion. Bill Gates' prediction about the future of work in an AI-driven world is both sobering and insightful. While AI will undoubtedly change the landscape of employment, certain sectors will remain essential, and new opportunities will arise for those willing to adapt. By focusing on areas like energy, biology, and AI programming, you can future-proof your career and be part of the industries that continue to thrive. The key takeaway is that the human element will always be essential in guiding, shaping, and overseeing AI development. While the tools may change, the need for creativity, empathy, and problem-solving will always be critical. As we move into an uncertain future, it's up to us to stay informed, be adaptable, and embrace the opportunities that AI brings. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think about Bill Gates' forecast? How are you preparing for the future of work? Share your thoughts in the comments below.